What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about what I think is crucial for you to understand about how to set up your business as a new entrepreneur, just getting started in general, and that's business accounts. Why you should have business accounts, how you can use them, what to do versus what not to do. We're going to get right into it. But first off, if you haven't watched my other video about actually getting your LLC set up and getting your business entity set up, then click this link right up here and you'll be able to learn more about how to even do that, where I discuss the setup process and why you should actually get that set up. Now, let's dive into this. Number one, you need to get a business checking account set up immediately. Whether you add on a business savings account is totally up to you. Doesn't matter. But you need a business checking account set up right as you set up your LLC. But how do you use that business checking account? How do you use that for the benefit of the tax advantages that come with owning a business, of just really the write-offs and how you can actually leverage that? And this is the advice I want to give you guys in order to help you guys get started a lot faster than what I had to when I had to learn all this stuff, right? So when you have a business checking account, everything that comes in and out of that business is some form of business transaction that you can determine how you want to use it for your business. Now, keep this in mind. If you use your cell phone for your business, then you should pay your cell phone bill out of your business checking account as opposed to your personal checking account. Why? It's coming out of your business checking account, so now it's something that you can easily track and show as a business expense. It's something that you are actually legitimately using for your business. Another thing, you should pay almost every single bill except for mortgage out of your business checking account, like your cars. When you go to apply for a home, your car is coming out of your business checking account. It can now be shown as a business expense or a business asset that you can classify it as. So that is going to provide huge opportunities. Let me give you an example. If you're a W-2 employee and all your money's coming into your personal checking account as your income, you're paying taxes on it, yada, yada, yada. So say I make $100,000 a year, but I really only get, say $75,000 a year because of what comes out in taxes. Well, so I get $75,000 a year, and then from that $75,000, I pay my bills. So as an employee, I'm paying my bills out of what's actually coming in, the $75,000. So my car payment, the phone payment, the insurance, whatever bills you have is coming out of my income. So now my income is really a lot lower. But over here, when you're running it as a business, you decide how much you actually want to pay in taxes. You are in control of what you need to do. And as this is all coming in through your business account, you get to determine what you actually want to show as income. So if I make $100,000 a year in my business, that's all your money that you now get to determine. So say you're paying your car payment out of that, say you're paying your phone bill and all these other bills out of your business account, showing it for your business. Well, now that's a write-off as an expense towards your business, which minimizes what you actually have to pay in taxes. So not only do you pay less taxes as a business owner, but now all of your expenses have a benefit to you and your business, simply by making this small adjustment of having your money and what you get paid coming out of your business account and paying your bills out of your business account. You can pretty much nowadays justify any sort of write-off for your business as long as it's not your mortgage. And even then for your mortgage, you can write off part of your home, the section you work in, if you work from home. So there's so many benefits that you can use by having your money flow through your business account. Now, I'm going to recommend it to you today. Do whatever you want, but avoid credit unions, avoid the smaller banks. Go with something that's going to keep things simple and make your life easier by going with a Chase Bank, a Wells Fargo, a Bank of America, or US Bank, something along those lines. Number one, because you'll have a lot easier time being able to get approved for things. When they can see that you're making money into your business from the major banks, it's a lot easier for them to then actually solidify, okay, you're making some good money. Plus, the amount of limits that you get if you were to go for financing for your business out of a Chase business account is going to be a lot higher than what you would have normally gotten out of a credit union. Again, it's up to you what you decide to do, but this would be my 100% recommendation. Go with a bigger bank like Chase, US Bank, or Wells Fargo to make your life a lot easier. Now, another thing I want you guys to understand. Never ever use a business or personal debit card again. Everything you do should come out of either directly out of the checking account where it's just direct deposit or direct payment in and out of your business checking account, or pay it through a business credit card. If you do everything through a business credit card, number one, it provides incredible amounts of protection for you and your business, so no money can ever get stolen. Because if your card information was ever stolen from a personal debit card or a business debit card, that money gets pulled out of your account, and that's your money that you lost, and you have to fight and dispute to get it back. If it comes out of a credit card, you're protected because it's the credit companies, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, it comes out of their account. All you have to do is call them and say, hey, this was not my charge. I don't know what this is. They send you a new card, and then they go and fight to get their money back. You provide a lot more protection for you and your business by using credit cards. Plus, now every expense, everything you do out of your business is now providing you with an extra source of, you could call it income in a say, whether it's cash back or whether it's flight points. I've racked up millions of points and traveled the world for free for years just because I've applied this exact model of doing everything through business credit cards. If you want to know more about how to get the most credit possible, then you need to get started with my financial program. And I can show you exactly step by step, not only how to get approved for this, how to do it under your business, but how to get approved for extremely high limits and continually do this for the rest of your life. My Alpha Financial program will walk you through every single detailed step that you need to get started. But back to the accounts, what I want you guys to finally understand about business checking accounts. Again, I've said this before. The Constitution of the United States was written to benefit the business owner. So take advantage of the benefits that you will receive by owning a business, by having everything flow through your business. Whether it's your cars, your phone, whether it's utilities, whatever it is you do, even food now can be written off in some form or fashion. You can figure out a way to write it off in your taxes, and you can make sure you are paying however much you want to pay in taxes. And at the end of the day, you are the one who is in control of what comes in and out of your account. You have to set up an LLC. You have to do everything as a business owner, and you have to do it through the right channels, through your business checking accounts, in order to get set up the way that you need to be set up.